Watch News 18 this morning. Yesterday, you know that October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. We had our lovely pink set behind us, and many of us now at News 18, we know somebody who has been affected by cancer in some way, and all month long we've been committed to sharing stories that highlight resources for patients in our community.
According to the American Cancer Society, 1 in 8 women will get the disease. News 18 this morning shares the story of one survivor who has beat the odds, all with the help of a local program. It was the summer of 2013 when 63-year-old Patricia Kurd found out she had breast cancer.
Mostly it was just coming to terms with it. I had no family history of cancer, which is interesting. So I was not expecting this.
Luckily, Kurd's cancer was found in its early stages, but like many people, hearing the word cancer turned her world upside down.
Quite shocking to me. But mostly it was just, I felt like I was in really good hands. I was getting very good care, and it was going to be all right.
As her lifestyle quickly changed, a new patient navigator program through IU Health Arnett made things a little easier for Kurd and her family.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing really well.
Oh, good. Well, good to see you.
The program was unveiled in October of 2013. Patient navigator Deidre Smith has been a nurse for 30 years and specializes in women's cancers. As a navigator, one of Smith's duties is to schedule all doctor's appointments for patients once they're diagnosed with cancer.
And then I also go with them to all of those appointments, and I am their first line of contact. So basically they're one point of contact, so that they have several physicians, but they can call one person to have their questions answered.
Being able to call Deidre and say, this may sound stupid, but here's something I've thought about, and what should I do about this? And that was great. And also knowing that I could talk to her almost any time. I mean, very seldom did I call her and have to wait for her to call me back.
But Smith says it's more than just a job.
It's a ministry, it's a service, it's not a job. I frequently get to know their spouses, their children, occasionally their grandchildren. So it's, once again, it's a journey, and it's a relationship that's built.
Now, the program was originally designed to solely support patients with breast cancer, but recently began adding cervical, endometrial, and ovarian cancers to the list as well. Kurd is currently cancer-free and goes for her 6-month checkup later this month.